kilos for the massive bastards. Yeah, something like that. Right, so, you know, we're all good. The average of this being 100, you know, kg there, and the average of that, drop 100 plus 25, half of that is, brain melting, 62.5, so 62.5, fuck, it's a long day. Oh, 120, 130, 170, no, come on, dickhead. 25 minus this is 100, I'm going to leave this in. 25 minus this is 175, then there's 100 between them. So it's 25 plus 50 is 75. It can't be 75, you dickhead. 75 plus 75, there we go, is 150. Is that right? I'm going fuck it. It's 9:30 and I've been at work all day. I'm fucking knackered. 75 plus 200 divided by 2. 175. The fuck is wrong with me? 25 plus... Oh, for fuck's sake. I'm leaving that in. Why not? Let's just have a laugh at my expense. 175. How did I not get that? What? I'm going mental here. 75 plus 200 equals that divided by 2 equals 137.5. I wasn't wrong the fucking first time. What did I just press? I'm going mental. 137.5. Right, that's that one. Fucking hell. We can all have a good laugh at me. So, is this right?
Somebody had to do it.